are. No, wait. Here we are at the Snyder Hill BLM 14-day free camping. It's really rough getting in here. Some of the paths coming in here are pretty deep, pretty rutted. But we made it. There is a smoother entrance at the highway entrance, but we didn't discover that till after we got in here. But let's show you around. That's a big Snyder Hill. Campers all around us. Of course, telephone pole. But this is Snyder Hill. Pretty neat. Could be home for 14 days, but we're probably going to head over to Desert Diamond Casino. They give you 20 bucks for a new membership program. 10 to gamble on, 10 to eat on. So, kind of sounds like you're getting paid to boondock. We're all for that. But anyway, we're going to go over there and try our luck at the casino. See what happens. If you don't see us ever again, we hit big. Y'all have a good day. This is the view from Snyder Hill. Surrounded by mountains here in Tucson. Watch this RV. See if he hits some of them ruts out there. We got to go through that. Over there's Tucson. And of course the big Snyder Hill.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulders, a heart full